and I'm a parent of some of my kids here at Heaven Center and Learning Center. I have 2 kids here, and they have been coming here a combined total of 3 years. Heaven Sent Early Learning Center is pretty much what its name is, Heaven Sent. Here they take care of your kids like their own. They help them with reading, numbers, shapes, colors, sizes, whatever you can name it. They're just a great facility here. They really nurture your kids. This is definitely a place that you want your kids to come. Ever since my son, he started coming here, he had what's called a developmental delay, and they work with aids. He's currently in tutoring, reading. He knows all his county sight words now. He's improving in his speech therapy. He's excelling in his class. Even with my youngest daughter, who's only 1, she's recognizing her alphabet. Sometimes I can just hear her just at home just saying them. She's just brilliant. She's just going to be such a smart young girl. We're so excited to found a place like Heaven Center and Learning Center. If you haven't looked into it, look into it. If you want to bring your kids here, this is the place they need to be. All right?